Hello guys, if you want to learn how to do no cornrows crochet braids and also how to hide your natural hair inside the braids, stay tuned and watch this video because I will be explaining throughout this video. To start, I will first of all go ahead and do single braids with her natural hair, and I will use hair oil to moisturize her scalp. As you guys are seeing right now, you can't see her natural hair inside. And I want you to stay tuned and learn from this video because I will try as much as possible to explain to you guys so that you guys will follow up with this video. And then the hair I will be using, I made the hair by myself. And then if you want to order handmade crochet boss braids, I will put a link to my website in the description box below. Click that link to order crochet boss braids, crochet twist, and the handmade wig and the human hair wig. I will put the link in the description box below. And I also have a video on my YouTube channel show you guys step by step how you can also make yours, and I'll put that video in the description box below. I'll go ahead and grab one boss braid and I will slice it through her natural hair. I will make a knot with the braids to secure the boss braids to her natural hair, as you guys are seeing right now. And I will use her hair to pass through the knot, and I will be hiding her natural hair side by side. Don't hide it straight, because if you hide it straight, you will be seeing her natural hair on the opposite side. It's better to hide it side by side to be able to hide her natural hair. When you are doing these crochet braids with black, I think it's okay even though you are doing straight, because your hair is black and the extensions is black, and it will not be that easy to see it. But when you are using this kind of color and you are not careful in hiding her natural hair, you will be seeing your natural hair inside, and it will not be nice. It will be like looking ugly. You can't see her natural hair, because when you do straight, you will see her natural hair. But later on, I will be showing you guys that one. You guys will see that one. And I will still continue using the same method. And as you guys can see, you can see her natural hair, and like nobody will tear is crochet braids. And I will still go ahead and show you guys what not to do when you are using color to do single crochet braids, like no cornrows crochet braids. I will go ahead and slide the braids on there. I will try as much as possible to secure the braid to her natural hair, making a knot as you guys see right now. And then this is the method like a lot of people are using, like this one I'm showing you guys right now. When you are doing it with black, using like black extension is fine, but when you are using color, I wouldn't advise you to do your crochet braids like this, because if the person like use the braids to do a ponytail, you will be seeing her natural hair on the opposite side. You see, you can see her natural hair on the opposite side, and it's better to hide it side by side. But when you are using black, it's fine, but when you are using colors, I won't advise you to hide it straight. And there you can see the good side of hiding it side by side. And there I am done. It took me 1 hour to do the crochet, like to crochet her hair. And I know a lot of people normally say, it's just better to braid your hair. I bet you this method is very easy. And if you are doing boss braid, normal boss braids, depend on the size, it normally takes 4 to 8 hours. And this method, she can reuse this hair many times. If she like lose these crochet braids, and then she can like wash the hair and reuse it again. If you want to order handmade crochet boss braids, click the link in the description box to order. And it takes 1 hour to do these crochet boss braids. Only 1 hour, not doing her natural hair, just only the crocheting. It's very, very light. And I will also try as much as possible to put my email in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat, Agnes13, and also follow me on my Instagram, Freedom Styles 2. And if you want to order for hair, I will put my email in the description box below, and I will also put my website link in the description box below to order handmade wig, handmade human hair wig, handmade crochet boss braids made with love. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.